studio. And with me today we have Priyanka. Priyanka, you can say hi to them.
Hi.
Okay. And today what we're going to do is just going to show you a little basic steps of salsa, and which you could use in social dancing. So social dancing would mean going out for a party, going out for a wedding, or doing it somewhere, at a friend's party, or at home. Even at home, just doing social dancing is good enough with your family. So we'll start off. I'll just show you the basic gen steps that we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the left leg would move forward 1, 2, 3, and the right leg would move back. Now for the ladies, the right leg would move back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make note that it's only the 1 and the 5 that moves in a direction. 2 and 6 stay in the same place. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 3 is a close and 7 is a close. So again we go 1, 2, 3, close, 5, 6, 7, close. Now if you notice in salsa, most of the instructions that are given, it's 1, 2, 3. There's no 4 mentioned in the salsa count. The 4 is a full stop, or you can say it's a step which is not seen. So it is just a stop. 2, 3, stop. 5, 6, 7, stop. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's never counted as a step. So we go again with the basic step. So Priyanka will go back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the same count, if we use it for a side step, I'm moving the side step, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So Priyanka also will move the side step to her right. So she'll go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's how it will go. So if we are facing each other, it will go from here. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I can close and change the step again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll just show it to you from this angle. So basic is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, close, open, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, close and open, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now you can do a number of variations. The third variation I'll show you, which is the basic variation of, like you can say it's a cumbia step in salsa, where instead of moving forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, I'll move at the back. I'll cross my step at the back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the ladies will follow the same routine. If she's going back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, she will move backwards, right, left, right, left, right, left. So we just do it without holding hands. So it's basic is 1, 2, 3. Now we go to the third step. Both move back, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now if I get back to the basic step, it will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So if you're doing it holding hands, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. What I'll do is I'll leave this hand so that I'm indicating to her that I'm doing the step. And from my opposite hand, I'll guide her in 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now what we can do is something very similar, like the back cross step, which is a front. I'm leading her 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that can be done also in the social dancing circle whenever you're going out for a party or a social or a salsa meetup, you can do those steps. So hoping to see you all more often with some new steps. We'll be doing a lot of new current basic steps where we're doing a lot of turns, twists, and a lot of spins.